Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about negative 3x going here. Similar for this one. So we have the formula in here. A minus b to the power of 3 equals to a to the power of 3 minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b to the power of 3. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So we will have like this. The square root of x minus 1 to the power of 3. Similar for this one in here. So that's about the cubic root of x minus 1 to the power of 3 in here. Next, we have the same power 3. So in this situation, I can put like this. Next, I can put the limit go inside in here. So I will concentrate about this one only. Next, we have the formula in here. So we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b. We have a square minus b square. The next one, a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. We have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. Because I want to cancel about the square root and the cubic root, so that's why we have the power 2 and the power 3 in here to create about this one in here. So on this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. Similar for the second one. So this one we have x minus 1. This one we have x minus 1. And now we need to simplify x minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Now I will put number 1 going here, here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we have 3 over 2. And now we go back in here. So this value in here, that is about 3 over 2. So we will put like this. We calculate about this one and we have 27 over 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.